Hello friends, my name is SHUBHAM and today we are going to solve or discuss the aptitude problems on very important topic averages. Here are the some important formulas while solving the aptitude problem. Learn these formulas. Average equals to sum of observations upon number of observations. And another formula, average speed equals to twice x upon x plus y. Suppose a man covers a distance at a x km per hour and equal distance at a y km per hour. The average speed during the whole journey is twice x upon x plus y. Try to learn that formula because solving the averages problem maximum time this type of formulas are used. Let's begin with the first problem. In the first 10 over of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target 280 runs? The given statement that the first over the cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. It means the overall runs in a 10 over is nothing but 32. And we have to calculate the run rate in a remaining 40 overs. So when we make the addition 40 plus 10 equals to 50 and the overall target is 280, it means that the overall runs in a 50 overs is 280. So when we find the remaining runs in a 40 overs, we have to minus the 32 runs from 280 and we get a calculation 250. 250 is nothing but the run in a remaining 40 overs. So when we want to find the run rate in a remaining 40 overs, just simply divide 250 by 40. So we get a 6.2 as a run rate in a remaining 40 overs. So next problem, a family consists of 2 grandparents, 2 parents and the 3 grandchildren. The average age of the grandparents is 67 years, that of the parent is 35 years and that of the grandchildren is 6 years. What is the average age of the family? Here there are the 2 grandparents and their average age is 67 years. Simply use the starting formula, sum of the overall numbers upon the numbers given. Simply use the starting average formula. Multiply by 67 by 2 because there are the 2 grandparents and their average age is 2 plus 30 there are the 2 grandparents and their average age is 35. So simply 35 multiplied by 2 plus there are the 3 grandchildren and their average age is 6. So that's why we multiply 6 by 3 and divided by 2 plus 2 plus 3 because the overall members in a family. So when we make the simply calculation, we get an answer. Average of overall required average age of family is equal to 31 multiplied by 5 by 7 years. Next problem, the captain of cricket team of 11 members is 26 years old and the weight of the keeper is 3 years older. If the age of these 2 years are excluded, the average age of the remaining player is 1 year less than the average age of the whole team. What is the average age of the team? So while solving this type of problem, we directly don't get a hint to solve this. So consider the average age of team as a x year. Here there are the 11 members in a team. So the overall age of the 11 team members equals to 11 multiplied by x. Given that the captain is 26 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years old, it means the captain age is 26 years old and the wicket keeper is 3 years max than captain, it means 29 years. So when we minus the captain's and the wicket keeper age from the overall age, we get the overall age of 9 players. But given that the average age of remaining 9 players is 1 year less than the average age of whole team, so that's why the statement is like that 11x minus 26 plus 29 equals to 9 multiplied by x minus 1. Simply there is a small calculation. When we solve this, we get a value of x equals to 23 and 23 is nothing but the average age of team. Next problem, the average age of husband, wife and their child 3 years ago was 27 years and that of wife, the child 5 years ago was 20 years. The present age of husband is. The statement that the average age of husband and wife 3 years ago 27, it means when we calculate the overall age of 3 years ago equals to 27 multiplied by 3. But when we look at the present age of husband, wife and child, you have to simply add 3 multiplied by 3, because 3 is nothing but there are the 3 members, and after 3 years is nothing but the present age. So that's why we make the calculation and we get the answer 90 years. So next condition is that of wife and the child 5 years ago was 20 years old. It means that the overall age of wife and child 5 years ago equals to 20 multiplied by 5. But we have to calculate the present age, so that's why we have to add 5 multiplied by 2, because after 5 years and there are the 2 members like wife and child. So when we make the calculation we get an answer 50 years. But our task is to find the husband age. When we minus second statement from the first, we get the answer of husband age. It means 90 minus 50 equals to 40. That is nothing but the present husband age. Moving toward the next problem, the average weight of A, B and C is 40. If the average weight of AB is 40 kg and that of BC is 43 kg, then the weight of B is. Let's consider the ABC represent their weights. Then A plus B plus C is equals to 45 multiplied by 3 equals to 135 is nothing but the overall weight of A, B and C. The second statement, the average weight of A and B is 40. So we have to find the overall weight of A and B is equals to 40 multiplied by 2. And the next, B and C be the 43. So we have to calculate the weight of overall weight of B plus C equals to 43 multiplied by 2. When we solve the second and third statement, try to add between them. We get the statement A plus twice B plus C equals to 166. And when we subtracting the 1 from the fourth, we get an answer of B, and B is equals to 30C, and our task is to find the B's weight is nothing but 31 here. If you like my videos and if you want to watch my another videos, do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you so much.